chatter, and of course we are coming to you live from the CNBC-TV18 Motilal Oswal newsroom, and Nimesh is right here with me in the newsroom. Nimesh, so it's been a range-bound day. It looked like the market was suddenly developing momentum on the downside in the afternoon. Then we kind of stabilized. What's the word out there?
Again, we are at day's low, so to speak. Just a small recovery won't matter much, but the breadth is weak. That's been the pain point. The mid-cap and small caps are under more pressure than the large cap stocks. In fact, I understand the institutional activity is on the higher side, but the flows are mixed. So the sell-off is not led by very large institutional selling. That's the overall feedback. There's going to be a small market at close basket selling in some select stocks. That might have an impact in the last 30 minutes of trade. But I guess the bigger takeaway from today's market is the fact that the way some of the stocks got reacted to the earnings, that shows that the room for disappointment is very, very low. Very high, precisely very zero. And you've seen sharp reaction. In fact, on good numbers, the stock's not reacting on the upside. That actually shows the kind of sentiment which is there in the market, and that's playing out in many of the stocks. Technically, I think now 17,700 to 17,800 is a very crucial level as far as support is concerned for the Nifty. If that gets taken out, maybe you'll see further sell-off. That's something to watch out for. But broadly, the institutional activity is on the higher side. But today's sell-off is not led by large selling from the larger FIs.
Got that. Okay, let's come down to stocks. And I know you have some very interesting names today on your list. There's Coforge, we've been talking about the deal. And also, I think Titan. That's the one sparkling stock right from the morning. So tell us everything you're picking up.
Okay, so first on Coforge, where the stock is down 7%, 8%, and we all know that large seller is likely to be the promoter, which is Barings Private Equity. Remember, they've been a big seller, and we've been highlighting as well for the last few weeks that maybe there is a large block coming, which is going to come soon. Now, what is interesting is after today's block, I understand this will trigger a higher free float, which means both on FTSE and on MSCI, the weight will go up, and that announcement could come in the next few days. So while the stock is down in today's state, that's the fresh thing on Coforge that one needs to watch out for, that the weight will go up both in MSCI as well as in FTSE. The second stock is Hindustan Aeronautics, HAL. While the markets are down, that stock is buzzing in trade today, and on good volumes as well, and I believe there is good amount of interest as well at some select FI desks. So today's move is on back of FI buying, so the delivery volumes are expected to be quite high in Hindustan Aeronautics. The third stock is Titan. Again, buzzing in trade, good 2% up in today's weak market. Again, on back of good strong flows. Also, there was a note from Goldman Sachs today. They've added Titan to their high conviction buy list. They have a buy rating on the stock, but now they've added the stock to the conviction list, and that stock is buzzing in trade. And the last stock is L&T. Again, in a weak market, that stock is up 2%. I think in L&T, it's not about large buying interest, but lack of selling from larger FIs. There has been a constant selling in L&T post numbers, but that seems to be absorbed now. And even with the small buying today, the stock is up 2%. So that explains the move in L&T as well today.